Hi guys, welcome to Manisha Whatever. Today we are gonna introduce the 4 new birds. There's 2 birds that I didn't make a video about, so we're just gonna talk about them. And we also got 2 new birds, and that's why we're gonna talk about 4 new birds. Yeah. So let's talk about the new birds that came today, and these are cocktails instead of budgie system. Wait, let me just show you. These guys, they're eating right now. So yeah, the yellow and white cocktail is called Goldie, and it's a boy. He's a male. He came in today. He's not too scared, which I really like about him. He doesn't fly away unlike the budgies when I do that. And then over here, it's Silver, my favorite bird. She is really cold right now because of the fan. I mean, yeah, she's shivering right now. But we can't do anything about it right now. I mean, like, she's not shivering right now, but she was shivering. So, yeah. And she also got this red mark on her head. I don't know why. But today she fell downstairs when we got her out of the cage. But she didn't get any hurt, so luckily. But my parents don't think that's blood, because Ritvik said that was here in the first place when we got her. This is a girl, this is a boy. These two are gonna bond later, I guess. So yeah, these 2 birds are eating. This is the first time they're actually eating, which is a good thing because they never ate other than this. Can you shush, please? Shush? Would you shush? Oh my god, what just happened? Did you? Okay, I shouldn't have done that. You just saw one of the new birds. These 2 birds are my favorite bird. And also, Silver is a baby. And then this guy, Goldie, is a little bigger than Silver. So, yeah. Hey, it's okay. I just did this to the paper. Let's see. Oh, I forgot this was transparent. Okay, I didn't want to do that. Okay, I am trying to make video here. Can you all stop chirping so much? And you cannot hear me because of the chirps. Hi. What are you doing? I know what you're doing. They never talked today, actually. I mean, like, yeah, they're pretty shy. It's the first time they're here, so it makes sense. Should not touch them while they're eating because they're really, I think they're scared. And also, Silver likes head rubs when I touch her head, when I rub the head. Okay, these birds. Can you all stay quiet? I didn't want to scare you and wasn't even close to you. Good? Yeah, I'm not shouting at you. Good bird. These 2 birds are my favorite birds. We don't know their complete personalities yet because they didn't reveal it yet. We'll see in a few months. And also, they were really fluffy. And we also gave them a bath today, but there's gonna be no video about it. And that was also their first bath. So yeah, let's talk about the 2 new birds, Budgie, in the Budgie group. These budgies are scaredy cats. Let me just tell you the names first of all. First is a boy, and his name is Greenie Toronto. And second is a girl, and her name is Bluey. Yeah, let me just show you. This is Greenie. No, Can you all shush? I'm talking about you guys right now. This is the normal Greenie. Shush. Will you guys shush? Okay, good birds. This is Greenie, the normal Greenie. And then this is Greenie 2.0. Greenie 2.0. and normal Greenie. Yeah. This is proof that I didn't do anything. And also, this is Bluey. The only thing I can say about them is that they are scaredy cats and they also bite. Except for Greenie 2.0, he's a scaredy cat, that's all. And then Bluey bites and is a scaredy cat, and she is also a friend of Purpley. Greenie 2.2 is a scaredy cat, and he's really scared. He's also scared of the birds a little bit. And his friend, yeah, I don't even want to talk about his friend. Yeah, if you saw the last video, that is his friend. The last video will be in the description before video. I hope you guys can hear me right now. But that is all for the video, so I hope you subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment whatever you want. You can comment if you want. You can do whatever you want with my channel. I mean, you cannot hack it. Don't hack